Hello everyone, welcome back to our daily trade breakdown for XAUUSD. I will be looking at the trades that I took and what I could have improved during those trades. Okay, so the first trade that I took was during the London session, and it was London Open. I took it during 324 candle, and it was taken in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, it was taken in the 5 minute time frame, and I took it as soon as it was making these lows and breaking below this previous support structure. I should have probably taken it during this candle, but I waited for it to drop quite a lot, and then only I took it. I had also placed my stop loss just I think above this candle, the 1784.85, but it the spread stopped me out over here. If I had let it run, I would have probably made an easy 10 pips, okay, 80 pips, I guess. It is better than nothing. I was unable to look at this trade because I had to go somewhere, and yeah, it was my fault. Okay, so the next trade that I took was during the CPI. During the CPI, all of those trades were taken, uh, you know counter trending. I tried counter trending the market, and it was taken in 1 minute time frame. As you can see, the first trade that I took during CPI, I had also considered putting a buy stop and sell stop over here, but I thought it was too risky and I didn't do it. But some people made a lot of money yesterday. Okay, so the first trade that I took during the news was, as soon as I saw this candle rejecting from the 1810 areas, I was like, oh, okay, this is probably the pullback that we can see up to this area of 95s or more, even to the 1800 area, but we quite didn't reach to the 1800 area. And I took this trade as I saw this 1 minute candle leaving this previous, I think it was support, I guess, in a sense, and I saw it leaving, so I took a quick sell over here, and I closed it as soon as this candle was trying to reject from this 1800 area. I closed, I think, 80% of my position over here, around 200 pips, and the rest I let it run, which was stopped out quite easily. The next trade that I took was over here. I should not have taken a sale over here because it was probably my fault, as these previous candle were making a support, some form of support over here, and this candle also tried rejecting from these lows. So I think I should have probably not taken a sell over here. A buy would have been considerably better. Okay, so yeah, it was my fault. I got stopped out quite easily over here as well. It was smaller lots because I didn't want to burn my account during the news, so it was just experiment I was trying to do. And this was another trade, another sale that I took it as this candle tested the 1814 area, which was what the this was the high made by the this week. It is not showing in this it is not showing quite well in this dominion market, MT5, but you can see it in the trading view. Yes, okay, let's look at the trading view. As you can see, this made a wick up to this 1814.55 area, and what my thought was, as this candle was leaving this area and rejecting from this area, this was a huge rejection in the 1 minute. I was like, okay, so this probably is the correction of the price, and I took a quick sell in this candle. In this candle, I took a quick sell, And as soon as I saw, this candle making that wick to the up, I was like, I am not gonna hold this position anymore, and I closed this trade. The next trade that I took was another another sell from these 18, which area was it, 1820s area. Yeah, it was another sell that I took during the 1820 area. Let me show you in the trading view. I think it was over here. Yeah, it was over here. I took a sell over here. I took a sell in this 1 minute candle. The first 1 minute tried breaking below the 1820 area, and the next 1 minute was making that bearish wick downward. It was not even a wick, it was making a bearish body down. So I took a quick FOMO trade over here, and yeah, I got easily stopped out again. But if I had just waited, it was also a trade that I took during NYSE, and I thought the NYSE will probably give me that nice pullback to the down area. And so yeah, if I had just waited for it to make this quite nice rejection, as you can see, where is the arrow? Arrow, I think over here. Okay, right. No, this does not work. This, as you can see, it retested this 24.5 area. There was a previous rejection in this area as well, 24.5. So it gave us that quite nice rejection. The 24.5, it rejected it once, then it also tried pulling back to this. There was also a rejection in 23.75 areas, and yeah, it tried rejecting from that area as well. It didn't even manage to break above this area. So it again tested the 24.5 area and rejected. So I think this should have been my cue for selling, because I was trying to counter trend the market so hard. I should have probably waited for this kind of formation before I took a sell, but I was really impulsive, and I should have waited a little longer. As you can see, so this rejected from the 24.5, this also rejected from the 24.5, double top, and the body also managed to break below this support area. So yeah, after the breaking of the support, the next candle tried testing this breakout candle, and it also failed. It rejected. The next candle did the same, it also rejected. And yeah, as soon as this candle left this support area, I could have considered taking a sell from this area. As you can see, it will have been a really nice sell, but I didn't quite manage to get an entry on these. I didn't want it to lose more, so I was like done for the day over here, so I did not took any trade. But if I did had taken a trade, after waiting for quite a while, look at the correction I could have gotten myself into. It will have been at least 100 pips more. It's I guess it is a little sad knowing I could have made a lot yesterday, but I was unable to because of my impulsive trade habits. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next episode.